Good evening, friends. This is Ramesh Nanda from Nifty Experts, Mumbai. Today we'll do the Nifty review for Thursday, 10 September. Today we had the weekly option expiry, and I'll do a quick view for tomorrow, that is Friday. These are daily EOD reviews. This is not a weekly review. This is a day-to-day reviews after the market is closed. So please note that whatever information I'm sharing, this is purely for educational purpose. This is not a confirmation for any trades or anything. And this is a disclaimer. And I have the right to be wrong. So I may be wrong also. So keep that in mind and do your analysis, consult your broker, advisor, and then take trades. Okay. So I also do conduct one-to-one and group webinar workshops for guys who are interested to learn to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty and stocks in futures and options with price action and advanced technical analysis. So guys who are interested can talk to me and I can arrange webinar workshops, crash courses, basic, advanced, Elliott wave, everything, right? So, because one needs to understand now what is the trend. People don't know the trend of the market and they lose money. So I have always been talking for the last few days now, for the last 1 week, the market is on a sell on rally mode. So with that aspect in mind, let's see what happened today. Today, this is a summary of the trade which was given to the traders of our subscribers for the option group, because expiry day options, we have big movements in price of the premiums. So expiry jackpot and all of those trades come, Nifty, Bank Nifty. Nifty and Bank Nifty are moving in divergence. So since yesterday, that's been observed. So today we had 4 trades. Morning we had a gap up opening. We had given a short trade at 11,360 at open market, that we had to close immediately at cost to cost with minimum loss. I will share with you all the 4 trades, why these trades were given and why the stop loss got hit and why we had to exit the short trade and why other trades were taken exit, because this is an intraday trade. Intraday trades, you cannot take one trade and sit for the full day unless you have a trending day. Market is not any trend, uptrend, down. It's in a range bound, in a corrective pattern. So you have to exit positions at various locations and take the next trades, right? So let me take you to the live chart. So let's see the daily chart first, how the market has closed today. So this was the closing yesterday, 11 around 280, and today we had an opening at 11 363 365, and we have closed at around 11,450. Now I have been talking about this range 1130 1150 for a very long time. Support range. Till this is not decisively broken and Nifty doesn't stay here below this for 3-4 days, the fall will not come. So we need to get the pattern confirmation. So this green, yesterday I told you this green is not a very bullish, not a very bearish, but it's a sign of consolidation, or maybe we can see a bounce. This is what I told in my yesterday video. So after this candle yesterday, I told you market may see some consolidation in this range and may try to bounce and maybe also try to fill the gap. This was my view yesterday given for today. So let us see what the trade happened in the smaller time frame. So as our mindset was clear as a trader, we were looking to sell the bounce. So when market opened at, the opening trade was short, but what happened was the market fell so fast, the target one came in just 1-2 minutes. So it was a difficult trade to book immediately. Why was it given? Because this was the resistance which is coming. If you can see this trend line, this is a 1 hour trend line. I'll show you why it is coming here. So this was the reason for giving a short trade, the morning momentum trade. We were expecting the gap to fill here. It didn't fill, and it took exact support exactly at 11,330. You see this? The same level? It bounced very sharply. So that gave a confirmation that the market might not fall more. So we had told them to exit immediately for people who had taken the short trade with put options. And after that, market went sideways till almost 10:15, almost till 1 hour. From 9:15 to 10:15, it was 1 hour sideways. So this trade was to be closed immediately with cost to cost or with minimum loss. Some trades may hit stop loss, but we should know we are clear to exit the market, which is not moving in our trend. Then this was the breakout area. Why was the long trade given? You see this trend line is now giving a breakout. Resistance came down, went sideways, then the breakout. So 11, 375, 380 was the long trade given. And what is the logical target? People may say here, here, here. Why not here? Here, because this is the zone every time Nifty for the last 4, 5, 6 days has been facing resistance falling from there. So 11, 450, 446. You see the zone, why? Because previous resistance also was the same zone, 11, 450 zone, right? So that was the area to exit the long. So from 11, 380 to 11, 44, almost 65, 70 points clearly was the target to be booked out here. And why a short trade was given here? Because this is a zone, every time Nifty has been seeing selling pressure. The target was, if you can see very clearly, it came down swiftly. After it hit this high, the resistance zone, it came swiftly down in just how much time? 12:50 and just half an hour, 30, 40 minutes. So you are getting here an easy 60-point rally here. And then price made a double bottom. This is another pattern, price action. So here was the exit for the long trade. And the next trade, again above 11,380. Right? This is the stop loss we had given here, 11,350. And straight again from 11,380, 390 to directly almost to 460 and the 60, 70 points. This was the trade intraday. You cannot take a trade, long trade here, sit full day till 3 o'clock to hit this target, because during this period, your option premium will decay like anything. So you need to switch your trade setup. You need to switch your positions. People might say you entered here and you got 150 points in one trade. No, we don't trade that way. So you have to change your positions. Take the trade in the direction of the trend, intraday trend. This one uptrend, a downtrend, and a support retesting. The same high got retested here, and again we got a long trade. So there are total 4 trades. One got stop loss hit with minimum loss, but all the other trades we got excellent profits. This was the trades given to the option traders today of for all the subscribers. Okay, so let's see now the 1 hour chart. So if you see the first hour candle hit the support at 11,330, and then the high at 11,450, same. Friday high, Monday high, and this is a Tuesday high. So all at 11,450, 460 price has been facing resistance. And now today it is trying to break the resistance zone and trying to move up. So what are the possibility? Now this is a breakout. This is a sort of a falling wedge pattern, right? This is a falling wedge pattern. So it's given a breakout. So price is still above the breakout zone. Unless it comes inside this, it would be a false breakout. So only if it comes back inside, it will be taken as a false breakout. If this breakout is valid, this price can still go till this zone, till 11,500, 530 to fill the gap. And last time, yesterday also told, this zone has to be broken for the up move to continue. So price is following impulse pattern, corrective triangle pattern, impulse pattern, A, B, C. Probably the C wave will go till further little more upside. The fall is more fast, the up move is slow. But this is probably a C wave. The C wave will go a little faster and longer also, as per the characteristic of the wave C. So this is what I'm expecting tomorrow. News are negative, positive globally, but maybe we don't follow the news. We don't look much at the news for trading. The patterns are clearly saying there is a breakout here. So the trade has to be looked accordingly. Until 330 is a failure, we may not see much fall for the time being. Of course, Reliance is supporting the market. That's okay. But apart from that, if you see the pattern, structure is very clear. So this is the reason these trades were given, multiple trades today. And slowly prices making higher highs, higher lows. So if you see the pattern of the wave structures, if I can share with you quickly. So if you see this fall is an impulse fall, this is a triangle. And then the fall is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, impulse fall, corrective A, B, C. This is again a 5-wave structure, impulse fall. This is your wave 1, a wave 2, a long wave 3. This is your triangle, wave 4 and a 5, which is your 11,185. This is another third reason why this short trade got over here and the long trade was given. Yesterday I shared with you two reasons why Nifty bounced from 11,185. This is the 5 wave getting complete here. Okay. Now this is again moving in a 5-wave structure. A 1, a 2, long 3, a 4, and a 5. So this fifth wave may get over somewhere here, or it may get over somewhere here at 500, or it can get extended also. So let us see how it is. So the trend for the time being is going up. So trade in the direction of the trend and trade with caution, because market can give any time a quick dip, because till the time 11,800 not broken, the entire pattern will have multiple options, of breaking down. So time cycles coming next week also, we have critical time cycles coming. So I will share that as and when I make the videos. With that, I would like to wind up the review for the day, friends. And thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye. Good night.